How to fix Messenger chat head not showing on Android. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store. In the search bar, search for Messenger. Head over to this application. Right here you can see the option of update, which means that your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update the application to the latest version. Well, once the application has been updated, tap on open. Make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on this three horizontal line at the top left corner, and then tap on this gear icon. Scroll down and right here you can see the option of bubbles. Tap on it. So right now you can see that the setting has been set to nothing can bubble. This is the main reason that you are not being able to have the chat head on Messenger. In order to fix this issue, you need to set the settings to all conversation can bubble, or even tap on selected conversation can bubble. You can choose either one. Once it has been done, you will be able to have the chat head or bubble on Messenger. But if you are still facing the issue, in the next step what you want to do is head over to your settings. Move into apps. Head over to the application Messenger. Slide down and head over to battery. So right here you need to set the settings to unrestricted. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to fix Messenger chat head or bubble not showing on Android. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.